So guys, this is the fourth video in the ElectroCulture video series, and this is something that we all really hope for. We hope for really good weather, and what really makes ElectroCulture work is this stuff. Yep, that's it. That is going to be lightning, thundering, rain. It's going to produce a whole bunch of static electricity, and it is going to help our plants out. So what I want to do right now is just give you a really quick overview of what the plants look like now. Once it rains and it gets done with that, we'll come back out. I don't expect to see a significant difference, but it'll be nice to just check it out, right? I know you guys are on board with that plan too, so let's go check these out. So here's what we got right here. Right, I will tell you earlier, I did put some water on here so they look a little clean, and that wasn't for you guys, it was just because it was really hot. So here is the second one. You know, on this one I have two antennas, right? You can see those blighted leaves right there, and these are all the plants right there. 2 figs and 1 perennial. We got these guys right here. They don't have any, oh, this one does. I might put one right there. So, okay. So we'll see how that works out. Here are my other ones. Right here, guys. You can see, we get level. You can see how tall it actually is. All right. See how tall it actually is. So let's go to the next one. As I said before, this one right here was the one that was pretty full. Really didn't have a whole bunch of damage or anything. We can see how tall this guy is, right? See that. Let's go ahead and go to the third one. By the way, I did have one planted right here, and somebody hit it with the weed eater, and it didn't come up. So we're hoping for that next year. Guys, here's the third one right here. Okay. As you can see, this is the one we had a whole bunch of damage, guys. And you can see that one over there, that little piece that came off. It was right there in the center. And now that the center is exposed, we got a whole bunch of heat, whole bunch of sun getting to the area, just killing all those leaves. Let's see how tall it is. As we can see, it's not even above that little metal ring. As before, when it had that centerpiece, it was well above that that middle part. And guess who's come to join us? Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Hey. Hey, buddy. Okay, Ross. So, guys, I just wanted to show you that. We'll come back out as soon as we get the rain. As soon as the plants start to absorb all these free electrons that will be out here. I'm really excited to have you guys come on this ElectroCulture journey with us. This is my first time doing it, and I bet for some of you guys this is going to be your first time doing it too. So let's go ahead and link arms and let's do this together. If you guys have any questions, comments, please go ahead and put that down in the comment section. But for those of you guys who don't know who I am, I'm Kid Philosophy. I wish you would like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.